In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 126 by 7 using the long division method. Now see that 1 is less than 7. That is why we will consider the number 12. From the multiplication table of 7 we know that 7 times 1 is 7. Subtract we get 5. Now see that this 5 is less than 7. That is why we will bring down this 6 here. And we know that 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 126 divided by 7 is equal to 18. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.